Hello friend, in this video you are about to learn that how to fix this vertex issue of rig mesh in Blender. You can see when I move this bone controller, few vertex are not moving with this bone. So first we have to identify from which part this is happening. This is happening from shoe part. So first switch to object mode. Okay. Now select this shoe, then holding shift, click on this rig, then right click under this parent, select here clear parents. Because we have made it clear parents, so select this shoe under this object data properties, and you can see there are a lot of vertex group. So first remove this by clicking on this minus icon. Now we have to hide this extra part. So select this, now press H to hide. Now select this show, then switch to edit mode. Now press Alt Z for enable X-ray mode. Now select this parts, then press P and select here selection. Now switch to object mode. Now press Alt Z to disable X-ray mode. Select first show, then click on this object. Under this set origin, select here origin to geometry. Now select second part, then click on this object. Under this set origin, select here origin to geometry. Now select this rig, then switch to pose mode. Now press A to select all the bone controller, then press H to hide this. Now we have to enable bone layer. So holding shift, then click on this layer. Now switch to object mode. Select first show, then holding shift, then click on this bone. Switch to pose mode and select this bone like this. Now press Ctrl P and select here with automatic weights. Now again switch to object mode, then select this shoe, holding shift, click on this bone, switch to pose mode and select this bone like this. Now press Ctrl P and select here with automatic weights. And we have to hide this bone layer. So holding shift, then click on this icon. Now press Alt H to unhide bone controller. Now select this, then press G, and you can see this is working perfectly. Now switch to object mode, then press Alt H to unhide all hidden parts. So you can solve this problem using this method. Thanks for watching this video. Leave your comments and subscribe this channel.